We're back, guys, with some snake eggs. You ready to see some babies? Check it out.
Time to open some snake eggs. And we are going to be opening this side. So let's hope there's some hides in there. So I'm going to start with this one because it's pretty much open. Oh, it's slippery. Ew. Oh, there's a bunch.
Is it a pied? Is it a pied?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is it? Are you kidding me? Oh, I see the white. That's a pied.
Oh.
Oh my god, yes.
Sorry.
Krista, yeah, woo! Let's get that out.
Sorry, I'm not.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Come on, baby.
Day number 59. This is awesome.
Ew, do you see that? Do you see
Oh, I see. I kind of. Do you want me to eat some of that?
No.
Okay, sorry. Let's get a look at this beautiful snake.
It's very slimy, but
Oh,
look.
man.
It's a baby pied. It's so
This
cute.
is what we've been wanting forever. Woo! Yeah. Chris, give me 5. With your slimy hands. Come on. I want a slimy 5. Ew. That is gross.
Aw,
Let's keep it real.
Oh,
First
my God.
one hatched. I love it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at the little head. You're so cute. He's definitely not shy.
No, that's how they first feed.
Yep.
How awesome. The first snake is a proven pied. Bear with me, folks. We got 4 more. Hopefully we can get more than the 50% ratio. But so what we're going to do is we're going to spray this guy off.
Aww.
He's all slimy and goopy. Hey, buddy, welcome to life.
Next one. So I'm pretty sure its little head. I'm pretty sure it's a pied because I peeked just a tiny bit and I saw a little bit of white. But let's hope. Ew, bubbles. Ew.
It's not ew. That's
Well,
life.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my god.
Is that a pied?
Yeah.
What?
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
No. Maybe it'll slide out. But obviously I'll catch it. It is a bite!
Oh, sweet! You want me to eat the slimy stuff?
No, ew.
I'm just kidding. We got another pied.
Oh.
2 for 2. I want to know. Krista doesn't want me to do this, but I'm going to do it on film. I want to know how egg yolk tastes from a snake. So here we go. Hey, you got to watch and make sure you're filming it.
Ew! Oh my god. No. Oops. Ew.
Swallowed.
That's disgusting.
It's because I'm a boss. Cut!
Snake 3 out of 5, but this time there's no opening in it, so I have to cut it open, but very carefully. Now this is very nerve-wracking because you do not want to harm the snake, so let's just do it. Obviously you gotta find an area where there's no snake, so it would be really squishy, like right here.
I know. You got this.
Yeah.
Oh, you got, yeah, there you go. No, you're doing, yeah, very good. You're doing good.
Okay, I'm gonna try, because I... Dang it.
Good job, good job.
Okay, I don't think this is a pied,
I think we got a hat.
but all that matters is if the snake is alive.
Exactly. You did good.
Ew.
Good job.
No, it's not a,
It's not pied.
but that's okay.
No, that's fine. It's fine. It's a healthy snake.
I didn't kill it.
You didn't kill it. You didn't kill it.
Okay, come on, beautiful.
See what we got. It doesn't matter. to everybody out there, this is a het pied, you know, because you see the clutch. 2 that we haven't cut yet aren't ready. We gotta wait. I just don't think they're ready, and guess this video is gonna be to be continued. So peace out until we cut the next 2.
Okay guys, so it's the following day and we still have 2 eggs left, and since we waited they have made some cuts, so it's going to be so much easier, and I'm glad because I don't want to cut the eggs because that's really scary. I'll do this one first, and I already know which one this is. It's okay.
Dude, we have a third pied, we have a third pied.
It's okay, baby.
Let's check this guy's patterns out. Besides the goopy stuff, nice. Got more whites on this one.
Aw, hi baby. Ew.
Beautiful.
Aw.
Welcome to the world.
So now we're gonna clean this beautiful baby off camera, and we're going to cut or open the next egg and the last. Are you guys ready? So 3 out of the 5 eggs were proven pieds, and unfortunately I don't think this one is a pied, but that's okay because we got 3 baby pieds. So let's just open the egg. Aww. Hi baby. Oh, you're very slimy. Hi baby. Aww. Well guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Say bye. So now we're gonna go clean this snake off, put it in a home, and that is it. Bye.